Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, let's test your knowledge on what we've learned so far. So I want you to create these three simple sketch. The first one is just a rectangle, and you can start it at the origin point, and you can use the relation as a reference, and make sure your sketch is fully defined, and add your relation and your dimension. The next one is this sketch. Again, start it at the origin point, make sure it is fully defined using the relation and the dimension. And the last one is this. I'm going to try to figure out what tool you'll use to make this. There are several ways you can make it, but there is an easy way to make it. So try to figure that out. Start it at your origin point over there, and we will talk about it in the next lecture. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye.